In the digital age, we often overlook the real challenges faced by middle-aged and elderly migrant workers. Taking Chongqing's local porters, Bangbang Jun, as an example, people tend to attribute these struggles to a lack of familiarity with smart devices. My project uses physical installations and augmented reality interactions to prompt viewers to reflect on this perspective, highlighting issues of social discrimination and resource allocation, while emphasizing the agency of this group. I used software to scan and capture scenes from the daily lives of Bangbang Jun members, which were then digitally recreated. Viewers can use an app on their smartphone to scan and identify the installation. By tapping preset navigation points, they can move to different positions and observe more details up close. Sweeping or rotating their phone allows users to change perspectives within the scene. I also integrated several experimental video clips into the installation, aiming to provide participants with a deeper emotional experience.